Here is a tutorial on how to set up your account as an employer using the FleetSource Salary Sacrifice portal. After completing the salary sacrifice form, you will receive an email with a link directing you to the login page. As you can see, we are now on the login page. This is where you will land after clicking the link. You can now set up your account by entering your email and creating a password. Once this is done, a verification code will be sent to your email. Enter this code to complete the login process and access the portal successfully. Now that your account has been created, you will be taken to the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing employees and vehicle orders. The Awaiting Employees section displays the number of employees who have been uploaded into the system but have not yet taken any action. The Awaiting Employee Agreement section refers to employees who have joined the portal but still need to review, sign, and submit their agreement before proceeding with vehicle selection. The Awaiting Employer Agreement section indicates how many agreements are waiting for employer approval. Employers must review and approve these agreements before the process can continue. The Orders section shows the number of vehicles that are currently on order. The Vehicle Delivery section displays the number of vehicles that have been successfully delivered to employees. Now, we will move on to the Profile section. To get to this section, click on the 4 boxes on the right, then select Profile. This profile is set up by FleetSource. The scheme rules have been configured based on the previous form you completed. Here you can view details such as whether there is a monthly admin fee, the CO2 limit within the scheme, the VAT recovery rate for the business, and how national insurance savings are shared. In this case, you can see that 100% of the savings are shared with the employee. The Include Road Insurance option has been selected as Yes, which means fully comprehensive road insurance is included in the portal quotes. The Affordability tool has been set as Not Required in this example. However, this can be configured as either optional or mandatory, depending on your preferences. In this example, we have included the charger cost. The full cost of the charger is covered by the employer. For instance, if the charger costs £1,000, the business would pay this amount up front. Depending on the length of the employee's contract, the charger cost is then broken down into a monthly payment through the salary sacrifice agreement. In the Company Profile section, you can easily update these details if needed. You also have the option to upload a company logo to customize the system. Next, we move on to the Users section of the account. This section includes individuals within the business who are authorized to approve employee orders. These users also have access to all documents and data stored on the portal. To add a new user, simply click Add New in the top right. You will be prompted to enter their full name, last name, email address, and position. This section is for adding employer users only. Employee details will be added in the next section. Documents will already be uploaded to the portal based on the rules set in place and will be available at all times. Simply click View to download them. These company documents are specific to your selections. The Employees section now allows you to add employees to the system. It is crucial to note that for a user to be able to create quotes in the system, they must also add themselves as an employee. This means that the user must be both a user and an employee in the system. There are 2 ways to add an employee. The first method is by manually adding them. On the top right of the screen, there is a button labeled Add New. You need to select that button. A form will appear where you can enter the necessary details, such as name, email, address, and any other required information. After entering the details, click Add, and the employee will then appear in the list of employees. The second method to add employees to the system is by importing a file. To do this, you need to click the Import button on the top right of the screen. After clicking the button, you can select a file that contains all the employee details and upload it. The system allows you to download a template that you can use to ensure the correct employee information is formatted properly before uploading. Once the file is uploaded, the system will automatically add the employees. Now you can see vehicle quotes. In our system, you can view vehicle quotes that are waiting for user approval. We have removed names in this example. However, if you tick the checkbox above, you will be able to see the employee names as well. If you click the View button next to a quote, you will be able to see all the details, including financial information and details about the vehicle. The Vehicle Delivery section displays the number of vehicles that have been successfully delivered to employees.